Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Keap and connect to Stripe for payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Keap login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type your password into the password field. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the menu. Click on Settings to open the Settings dashboard. In the Settings menu, find and select E-commerce. Look for the Payments section within the E-commerce settings. Click on the Connect with Stripe option. You will be redirected to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account email and password to log in. If you don't have a Stripe account, click Create an account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, you may need to authorize Keap to access your Stripe account. Review the permissions required and click Authorize or Connect. Return to your Keap dashboard after successful connection. You should see a confirmation that Stripe is now linked to your Keap account. To finalize, adjust any payment settings in the e-commerce section as needed. Test the integration to ensure payments are processed correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.